The Apollo Hospital. This is Instagram Live, and we are going to teach you a little about एंजियोप्लास्टी. एंजियोप्लास्टी के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे और हल्का फुल्का हम ये बताएंगे कि कैसे एंजियोप्लास्टी कॉम्प्लेक्स करी जाती है. इस पेशेंट में विल टीच यू अबाउट कॉम्प्लेक्स एंजियोप्लास्टी थ्रू अ लाइव विच विल बी 3-4 minutes live. एज ए पेशेंट हु इज़ नाउ या 50-year-old एंड 50 साल की उम्र है इनकी, और इनके एंजियोग्राफी करते हैं तो ब्लॉकेज बहुत ज़्यादा निकलता है. इनका पहला प्रेजेंटेशन था सांस फूलना. सांस क्यों फूल रही थी इनकी? सांस इसलिए फूल रही थी क्योंकि इनकी हार्ट की पंपिंग 25 से 27% हो गई थी बिकॉज ऑफ हार्ट अटैक. तो ऐसे पेशेंट को जब हमने जिसका हार्ट अटैक होकर हार्ट की पंपिंग कम हो जाती है तो इनके लंग्स में पानी आ गया. देयर वर फ्लूइड इन द लंग्स विच इज नोन एज पल्मोनरी एडिमा. So we initially 15 days back we did about the 28th November or 29th November. He was hospitalized on 26th November, when 25th November when I was in London. So we monitored everything from London, and then he was hospitalized, and with the help of our team he was okay. And then we did angiography. In angiography we found severe blockage to that extent that we were shocked to see that in a young 50-year-old person here, but he has a family history. Severe blockages to the extent that even bypass surgery becomes more complex because इनका लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल डिसेंडिंग आर्टरी was 100%, right coronary artery 95-99%, and the circumflex 95%, diagonal 90%. And so it was a complex procedure, and we discussed and we thought we should do bypass surgery. Patient refused bypass surgery, but also in a poor high risk patient in a poor ejection fraction, bypass surgery is a little risky. So he chose to do a stage angioplasty. So we planned a stage angioplasty which we did last time, and I will show you today a picture that how we were able to do staged angioplasty. Today I will show you we have done right coronary artery. इसके पहले हमने लेफ्ट किया था. तो हमने जैसे ही आज चेक किया, सबसे पहले हमने with the help of pacemaker, temporary pacemaker we have done. So we have done, the procedure was complex, that's why we have taken help of anesthetist, and also but patient is fully alert, conscious. Anesthetist because of the blood pressure and all. This patient has a low blood pressure रहता है इनको. तो ऐसे केस में एंजियोप्लास्टी कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है. तो हमने एक बैलून पंप लगाया which is a balloon pump is inside the aorta. It helps in increasing the diastolic pressure, and temporary pacemaker for the safety. And then we checked the first shot diagonal which we had done stenting earlier. It is doing very perfectly all right. उसके बाद हमने circumflex देखा. It is also यहाँ पे 2 stent लगे हुए थे. It is doing very well. Now we proceeded with the angioplasty of right. अभी right coronary artery की तरफ हमने angioplasty plan की, and we have already got a temporary pacemaker. We have got a balloon pump, and we have anesthetist support and our colleague support, multiple and technical staff support. Up, this is a blockage. You can see there is a blockage here 95, 99, and here also 80%, 70%, 40%. So putting a stent in this calcified artery is a challenge. Is actually a challenge. इसमें मुश्किल होता है कई बार without doing IVL. IVL is a intravascular lithotripsy, and because of the angle, we knew that it will be difficult to put the IVL, and rotablation was also not planned. We proceeded with the wire. First of all, we have put a wire. You can see the wire. We have done a wire. ये wire चला गया. This is the first wire, and then we are doing a balloon inflation. You can see the balloon. This is the balloon, the point there. Balloon inflation, and then after the balloon inflation, we have done first 1.5 millimeter. उसके बाद 2 मिलीमीटर बैलून है. यहाँ फुलाया, यहाँ फुलाया, यहाँ फुलाया, फिर से यहाँ फुलाया, फिर से आगे फुलाया, फिर से यहाँ फुलाया. So we are making a passage for the stent, because finally balloon के बाद we have to put a stent. So we are now, this is bed is made. So we thought we could have done a further pre-dilatation, लेकिन with the help of 2 wires we thought we should do two wires, guide wire कहते हैं इसको, और हमने 2 वायर डाले. देखिए दूसरा वायर भी आ गया यहाँ पे. ये there are 2 wires now. You can see the 2 wires inside the artery, and now the stent is coming. This stent is coming. This is a stent which is coming, and finally we were able to with the God Almighty blessings, stent यहाँ पे आ गया because of 2 wires support and initial pre-dilatation. This is stent which is being deployed, and this is now we'll put to the second stent. The second stent is coming. This is second stent आ रहा है ये. This is the stent, और ये स्टेंट यहाँ पे लगा दिया हमने, और स्टेंट खुलाने के बाद we have got a very good result. We discussed that we should do the distal lesion or not. So we thought that we will keep it on medical treatment, considering that putting another stent here. यहाँ पे स्टेंट पहले इसलिए नहीं लगाया because we knew the passage is difficult, and this was very important, and therefore we wanted to do the first distal and then proximal lesion. So we changed the approach. and we have kept this blockage on medical treatment, but I want to tell you that this was a difficult angioplasty and final result is perfect, and you can see this is by final result. And our friend is very nice, and he is this was actually, he just sang a song on Facebook live. I would like him to एक बार फिर से, this is Instagram live, फिर से गाना गा दीजिए आप. बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं ये, and he is very happy, and also I am very happy.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए.
बहुत अच्छा. अब पेशेंट गाना गा दे, हम लोग को इतनी तसल्ली होती है कि पेशेंट बिल्कुल ठीक है. कॉम्प्लेक्स एंजियोप्लास्टी, 5 स्टेंट्स, 3 पहले 2, हार्ट की पंपिंग कमज़ोर है. अब ये बिल्कुल, अब इनको नॉर्मल नया दिल मिल गया. Possibly I would say that slightly almost as good as bypass or better than bypass surgery, because there is no cut on the chest, there is no healing required. We'll remove this balloon pump. ये हमने balloon pump लगाया था, ये balloon pump लगा हुआ है. ये इस balloon pump प्रेशर बढ़ा के रखा हुआ है इसने, और इसके साथ में हम निकाल देंगे. And I want to show you our nursing staff is still working very hard, both Komal and क्या नाम इनका है, क्या, oh Vaishnav. And they have worked very hard, and this we have done from the groin, and this groin area is now sealed, and now he is fully conscious, alert already. It was patient was fully alert. मैंने कहा हनुमान जी को याद करते रहो, काम हो जाएगा. Thank you very much. After finishing this complex angioplasty in a calcified artery with 2 stents, I am very happy, and thanks everybody, especially the God, for giving us support to do this job. Thank you very much. Today, 23rd December 2024.